Yes. Good morning. This is me, Tadar Chachung. From next week, I will be delivering Nyishi phrase and proverbs, or you can say Nishi's wisdom. I'll be delivering these Nyishi wisdom in three different languages, that is English, Hindi, and in my own dialect, that is known as Nyishi dialect, which I was saying right now. I was saying as three languages. It's not a language, it's a dialect. And why I'm going to do this? The reason beyond is that today's my community, Nyishi tribes, the next generation, coming generation, they are forgetting their languages. They are forgetting their wisdom because of modern education. So I want to make available indigenous wisdom, indigenous phrase and proverbs in digital India, or I can say, or you can say digitally. I want to make it available at digital platform.